Alright, so that's how the plugin looks like. And setting it up is really easy. What you have to do is you need to go to the Garage Mode sound folder, which might already be there, but sometimes it's not, so you need to create it. Then you make an Enron music folder inside it, and then you make these three folders which correspond to the wind types. And you place the music you want in each folder. It's gonna be ready just like that, but if you want, you can make a text file with the same name of the music file, and it can contain the title and the author. So that's gonna display it on screen as you've seen before. Otherwise, if you miss this file, it's not gonna appear at all.